how to change the oil in the Camaro with the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To change the oil in this Camaro, it's pretty simple. We're going to start by removing the oil cap. Let's move it aside. With the rear wheels blocked, the car lifted and supported by a jack stand, we're going to go underneath, loosen the 15mm bolt to drain the oil, swap out the oil filter with this new one, and add our oil. So coming from under the driver's side, we can see the oil filter right here that needs to come out. We can see the 15mm drain plug that's right here. Now that the oil's drained, we can reinstall the drain plug and move on to removing the filter. The filter was on really tight, so I used the filter wrench to break it free, and then I removed it by hand. With the oil change, the last step is to reset the oil life inside the gauge cluster. So I'm just going to press up on the dial until we reach oil life. Okay, now I'm going to press and hold select. And now it's at 100. And this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.